Hey guys, Patrick Wind here and welcome to this training model in which I'm going to show you how you can create collection ads. Well, collection ads are basically one of my favorite ad types when it comes to e-commerce ads because they really demonstrate nicely your entire product catalog and link the people directly to the specific page of this product. So how can we create them? Well, we can use, for example, this ad set with all placements, and within this ad set we can perfectly create a new ad and just select the collection type. Of course, we want to use this page as well. And I have already created a copy up front that we can now simply select and copy paste in here in all the according spaces. Yes, that's nice, that's good. And now we can already create our collection here. So feature a collection of items that open into a full screen mobile experience. Okay, and we could use one of these free wonderful templates or the advanced canvas builder, and I would like to take you through all of them. So let's get started with the sell products grid layout. So it's actually very easy. So we really just have to select an image or a video. So let's say for example, let's take this specific, let's take this one. So we have selected a single image here, and then we simply have to select which kind of products do we want to show. So here we can select between all the catalogs that we have created. In this case, only those 2 catalogs have been created and no specific product set has been created. So it selects all products, and that's basically it. So it looks very nice, and there's a wonderful display of all the products. And if we want, we could also edit the specific items that are displayed here under each product. For example, it takes dynamically the product name and the current product price, but there are also some advanced options. We could take, for example, the brand, and then it takes rockets, or we take the normal price and not the current price. So which could be a different one, but actually the recommended one is actually already good. So the one that is here per default is actually very good. So the name and the current price, these are actually very good. So if you leave it like this, that's also good. Just to see one further thing. Yes, very good. So we could leave it like this, and then we just have to give it a specific call to action down here. I like to actually like this little trick. So I say shop, because I think it looks pretty nice. It looks definitely better than if you would just do shop now. See, it doesn't look as cool as the other one. So it's just a little trick, but it makes your collection look much nicer. And then I always recommend to have a strong eye here on the destination URL, because Facebook wants to keep the traffic within Facebook, and therefore they just send it to your page, but it's not what we want, right? We want to send them to our actual shop where people can purchase. So let's give him here the right domain and not just the Facebook page, and that's it. So we could already save it, and that would be the first collection ad that we have created. As you have seen, very easy but very powerful, because it shows the image or a video, and then down here a selection of the specific products. So let's call this one collection ad 1, and we could already save that one and create some variations of that, because that's of course not the only possibility we have, and there are many more interesting options that there are when it comes to collection ads. For example, we could use the two other templates that are provided, but we could also use the advanced canvas builder that I would also like to show to you. So let's jump right into the next template that is provided to us. So we said we are in here. Let's create a new collection. This is gonna be collection number 2. I'll also give it the right name. Collection at number 2. Here we create with the second template, so it says lifestyle, but what it basically is once again just drag and drop whatever you want. We can also just select specific video. Let's take this one for example. Here we can write something, so rockets, bracelets, free shipping until whatever, until February, whatever you want to type in here. Okay, and then you can wonderfully demonstrate your products. You can replace this picture by one that's actually from us, for example this one, and we can show nicely exactly the images, the products that have been displayed exactly in this specific product. So all the products that we want to show, we can just type in here, for example the double skull. Place this picture also by one from us, and they're displayed exactly below the image here, so that's very nice. And then here we can also demonstrate once again a picture where someone wears a specific bracelet, and then of course tag this specific bracelet. For example, let's say that's this one, and then at the bottom once again we can give it the shop now description, and that's good, and send them to the right traffic, of course, rockets.com. And you see we've created actually a very nice looking collection that we can already use for our ads. So we just click here on done, and then once it has loaded, we can perfectly use it in our ads. And then we could also preview it on the phone, so that's also very helpful. So if we click on this button, it will send the preview to our phone, and if this would work, it will select it now. So once now it is buggy, we can just close it. Yeah, that's all good. It was just for demonstration purpose, and we can do the same of course with this other template, so get new customers. Here basically the same. We can just replace specific images or videos by whatever we want. And you see this one has just the additional element of a carousel, where it's basically the same as in a carousel ad, and you can just select the specific element you want here and send people to the specific URL, whatever you want, directly in here. So these are the 3 templates. Yes, so we have the template to sell products, we have the template lifestyle layout, we have the template to get new customers, but all of these are nice and easy to get started, but they're basically, what they do is they basically give you individual elements in a predefined combination, but we could also simply define the combination on our own. So for example, if you use the advanced canvas builder, okay, you can simply start here with a blank canvas, and then you can simply add all of those elements, all of those components that we have seen in the templates, and you can select whatever you want on your own. And here you can easily see how these templates are actually made up, because they're basically nothing more and nothing less than just a combination of those components. Okay, so for example, if you create it this way, we can just give them specific elements. For example, let's take here the video, and then here select the specific product set, and a call to action button. Well, better shop now than buy now. and send them to our page. And we have created this little advanced canvas already on our own. And you see, we just click on save and it is already done. Okay, now we can finish. Yes, let's finish that and we're good to go. So for you to get started, you could text, let's bring it to rocket headline. So for you to get started, you could either use one of the specific templates, okay, either the sell products or the lifestyle layout or the get customers one, or you use the advanced canvas builder where you can select where you can create your own kind of collection, which could be similar to those layouts but also different, and you're ready to go whenever you want. I would recommend to you to just jump right into it, create a collection ad, start with the sell products one because it's the easiest one. It doesn't give any problems. You can just select an image or a video. Okay, let's take this one. It's basically just a couple of clicks and you're good to go. Please do not forget that that the standard button links to the Facebook page and not to your specific website. So always change this one to bring the qualitative traffic really to your website and not just to your Facebook page. Do not forget to give them the right text, headline, and here the last part I wanted to share with you, you can also customize up to 4 products to feature, so you can really select on your own which of those products you want to show here first. So we could say, for example, I want to show only white images in the beginning. Let's say we take these products and this one, and as we only have 3 of the white ones, let's take also this specific one. Confirm, and then it updates it, and these are going to be the 4 products that are featured in the first picture, and that's very good and very interesting. And now we can actually save it also on to our account, save to draft, preview it, and you see how nice our wonderful collection ads really look. I mean, here of course I'm going to substitute the text, but that's not urgent right now. It's just good for you to see where we have everything structured. So basically within our campaign, in our ad set for all placements, now we have the collection 1 and 2. Okay, we can preview them easily. We see this with the placeholder text, and down here we have the products. This one with the right text, and down there with the products. And the cool thing is, if someone clicks on one of those images, it will get directly to a full screen canvas, which we have already created either with a template or with the advanced canvas builder. And then you can link the person to the specific product page or even to your landing page, whatever you want. So guys, I hope you found this one as interesting as I did, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.